777's house. This is his Electrocoin Super Red bar.
Little technical fault, but hello.
Just gonna have a look in the back.
This is my bodge.
There's
Masking tape.
tape all over the place, dust, quid coins that I fell.
It's because it's coming. I put all real symbols there and they still bloody come out, so I'm gonna have to put another one there. In fact, what I'll do is I'll nick an X. I'll nick an X and put it there. Just need some tape. Actually, I don't think I need to. Yeah, well, because that.
So this is the inside of Electrocoin's red bar. Not really much, mostly all plywood.
It is. It's just all space. I got this one from a closed down arcade in Blackburn, and it was knackered. But I just thought, bit of time, self-taught.
From the 2nd to the 7th, it takes brand new pound coins.
Yeah.
2nd to the 7th, 17.
I think this one was like, it's got a thing on it, last serviced, I think it was 1993.
So it was full, but he's emptied it on the street while
Oh,
we've been here.
it's there, because half the coins are falling inside.
Yeah.
Um,
So then that's the chute that goes down into the bottom for the arcade's profits.
anyone got a map for that?
Anyone got an Uber for that?
Yeah, I know. I keep reading too.
There you go, guys, that's the inside of Electrocoin Super Bar 7. Or Super Red 7, isn't it?
Red bar.
So if you want to check out some more Guys machines, go to the link in the description. Take you to Guys 777's channel. See you in the next one, guys.
Thank you.